Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, January 4th, 2017, and U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a really good day today. This is what I expected the new year to bring. I wasn't discouraged by yesterday, but today went a whole lot better. We had about $3,000 positive open trade equity on, oh, God knows, I think 26 positions or something like that yesterday on the close. That's not very much money for all those positions. But anyway, when we did get out of most of those positions today, we had positive over 9,000. So that was an improvement, definite improvement over yesterday. But on top of that, the real big news is that we're carrying positive 15,000 going on into tomorrow. So, you add what we closed out plus what we're carrying, and it's a $25,000 day. Now we're not out of those positions yet. We got into 14 positions, and we are positive in 12 out of 14. Only 2 are slightly negative, so it's looking real good what we're carrying. I'm not at all concerned about that. The Dow continues this flirtation with 20,000, and it closed up 61 points today. That we are again, I think 40 or 50 points from 20,000. The question is, can it do it? Can it do it? And it's been up here so many times now, it's just like, I don't think it's ever going to do it. That's the way some people feel. I don't feel that way. It's definitely going to do it. It could do it tomorrow, as a matter of fact. In fact, I'll go out on a limb. I probably shouldn't do this and say, tomorrow's the day the Dow's going to break 20,000. Anyway, real good day. I'm very happy with this performance. And as I said yesterday, when this thing finally does break through 20,000, Katie, bar the door, this thing's going to scream. And as I say, it looks like we're, maybe 60 points from that, from where we closed today. So, could be a historical day tomorrow. We'll just have to wait and see. I'll show you just a handful. By the way, it was kind of interesting today because we're holding $15,000 positive open trade equity, but we don't really have anything really big. It's just a lot of really strong stuff. I would say 12 out of 14 of our stocks are positive. So I kind of like that. It means our equity is kind of spread out. It's not, we don't have all our eggs in one basket. Yesterday, we did have all of our eggs in one basket, and we got out of that trade today, and I got to show this to you. Showed this to you before, but it's just so beautiful. Back in 2017 on the last, or 2016 on the last trading day, we bought Degas, inverse natural gas, about halfway through the day. We had a huge gap up yesterday. That's sufficient to keep us in the trade a third day, and I'm glad we did because it gapped up a little again today. And we finally got out of this thing. Folks, we took over $17,000 out of Degas, and that really saved the day for us. That got our new year off to a right start. $17,000 in Degas. And we got it, as I say, we got into just a lot of stuff today that was good but not spectacular. But I'll show you some of that. This first one is X for U.S. Steel. This stock's been around a long time, but it suddenly come to light because of the Trump bump. Uh, Trump has said he's going to buy U.S. steel, and the steel stocks are doing very well. Anyway, we bought this, uh, you know, barely 2 hours to go today. It kept moving, closed near its high. We have $2,000 open trade in U.S. steel. And finally, I'll show you the stock. Actually, we've been trading a while, but it really did well today. This is Shack or Shake Shack, and we have bought this yesterday, almost the high tick of the day, second hour. It closed against us, and then we got this humongous gap this morning, and it was a humongous gap with follow through and closing near its high, and we're holding $3.5 thousand, $3,500 open trade in Shake Shack. So that just looks like a great trade. Very pleased. Anyway, great day. Trader Bob's happy. I'll be back here tomorrow online on Thursday.